Okay, welcome to English. We gonna do parts of speech first. There are different parts of speech. There are 9 actually, and those are just the different things that sentences are made up of. And first, we're gonna do the noun and the pronouns. So here are all the parts of speech. So we're gonna start with the nouns and pronouns. I'm gonna skip right to the exercises, and then we will come back to this pack of wolves, school of fish thing. Just so you know, a noun is what we identify any words with, specific things. You have common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are basically things that you can touch and feel, and proper nouns are the same thing like Cape Town, Table Mountain, COVID-19, Earl Grey, or a name of a person. Then quickly, collective nouns are the group of things. Pronouns, so you get personal, demonstrative, interrogative, infinitive, relative, reflexive, and intensive pronouns. Personal are like you, I, we. Objective, like her with him, you, it's like over there. Possession is mine, yours, he is there. Demonstrative is this and that and these. Irrogative pronouns is which and who and whom. Relative pronouns is whomever, who, whom. It looks the same as the irrogative. Indefinite is not very definite, so many, everything, everyone, each. Reflexes, reflecting on yourself, it's themselves, herself, myself, himself, so everything about the self, reflecting on oneself or somebody reflecting. Intensive, it looks the same, myself, himself, themself. And here's a quick guide, you can go through your book. Okay, let's just start with the exercises. Alright, replace the words in brackets by correct personal pronouns. Note that Sue is the person speaking. This means that you are asking, the star means that you are asking a question. My name is Sue. I am English and this is my family. So, my name is Sue. She's talking about herself. I. Number 2, my mom's name is Angie. Dit is from Germany. She is from Germany. Bob is my dad. Dad is a waiter. He is a waiter. On the left, you can see Simon. Her is my brother. He is my brother. Number 5. Dad are twins. You can say they or you can say we. Number 6. Our dog is a girl. Dad is 2 years old. She is 2 years old. Number 7. Live in Canterbury. Well, you can literally put anything in there. I, you, we, they, anything. Number 8. It is not far from London. Poop is not far from London. It is not far from London. My grandparents live in London. Often come and see us. They often come and see us. Number 10. What can tell me about your family? So we say, what can you tell me about your family? Personal pronouns, an object of an object. Okay. Aaron was on business trip to California. He shows you the souvenirs he got for his family. Fill in the correct pronouns. My sister loves book. This novel is for her. This novel is for her. Number 2. My children like Disney films. The video is for them. My brother Matt collects picture postcards. These postcards are for him. My parents like Latin music. This CD is for them. I like watches. This nice watch is for me. My wife and I love sweets. These sweets are for us. Very good. Number 7. My nephew likes cars. This toy truck is for him. Number 8. My neighbor wants to go to California next year. This guidebook is for him. Here is another souvenir. I don't know what to do with it. You know what? It's for me. Nice. Personal pronouns, the possessive, so mine, yours, and so forth. Replace the personal pronouns with possessive pronouns. This book is you. This book is yours. This ball is for me. It's mine. The blue car is we. Ours. The ring is she. The ring is hers. We met Paul and Jane last night. The house is they. Theirs. The luggage is he. It's his. The pictures are she. The pictures are hers. In our garden is a bird. The nest is his or its, I would say. His. The cat is ours. I don't understand there. The cat is ours. It should be ours. Ours is the correct possessive pronoun. So it can't be theirs. Must be ours still. Number 10. This was not my fault. It was you. It was yours. Fill in the correct reflexive pronoun. So reflect on oneself. So the self at the end. I do not want to believe it. And then I saw the UFO myself. The girl looked at herself in the mirror. Freddie, you'll have to do your homework. No. Yourself. Number 4. You don't need them to help. They can do it themselves. Remember that's in plural. Selves. I introduced myself to my new neighbor. Boys, can you make your beds yourselves? She made herself a pullover. Number 8. What happens when a fighting fish sees itself, I would say, in the mirror? The father decides to repair the car himself. Self. We can move the table ourselves. It's plural. Remember that. Relative pronouns. Choose the correct relative pronoun. So relative pronouns are here. Who, which, and whose. This is the bank which, it's a thing, which was robbed yesterday. A boy who, there's a person, whose sorry, sister is in my class was in the bank at the time. The man who robbed the bank had 2 pistols. Ja, so this is who in Afrikaans we would say wie se, like whose it belongs to something, which is for an inanimate object, and who is for a person. Okay, remember that. The man who robbed the bank had 2 pistols. Correct. He wore a mask. Which? A mask. Which made him which made him look like Mickey Mouse. He came with a friend who waited outside in the car. The woman who gave him the money was very young. Who gave him the money was very young. Very good. The bag, which, it's a thing, which contained the money was yellow. The people who were in the bank, it's a thing, or it's a persons, who were in the bank were very frightened. A man whose cell phone was ringing. Yeah, that's very good. It's possessive. Yeah. A woman whose, also possessive, daughter was crying to try to calm her. The car which, it's a thing, which the bank robbers escaped in was orange. The robber whose visa, like belonging to the mask, was obviously too big, didn't drive. The man who drove was nervous, very good. He didn't wait at the robots, which, the robots are things which were red. A police officer whose car was parked in the next corner stopped and arrested them. Very good. That's belonging to. All right, let's quickly do, while we have time, collective pronouns. Where are they? Collective pronouns. Here we go. That's a group, how we classify a group of things. So we have a of classmates, a group of classmates, a of students, a class of students, a of football players, a team of football players, a of parents, a committee of parents. Here we have a of football players, a team of football players, a of fans, a crowd of fans, a of spectators, an audience of spectators, a of caterpillars, frogs, or soldiers, a army of that, a of asteroids, a belt of asteroids. Remember Orion's belt. A of students, a class of students. A of parents, a committee of parents. A number of supporters, a number of supporters. A of five, family of five. A of airplanes or ships, a fleet of airplanes or ships. A of flowers, a bouquet of flowers. Here we have more. A of wolves, a pack of wolves. A of fish, a school of fish. A of ants, bats, beavers, or penguins, a colony. Okay. A of camels, a caravan of camels. A of bees, a hive of beeves. A of apes or kangaroos, a troop. A of lions, a pride of lions. A herd of antelope, buffalo, cattle, deer, or zebra, a herd. A of geese, a gaggle of geese. A of hyenas, a clan of hyenas. A of monkeys or natives, a tribe of monkeys or natives. And then A of ants or bees, a swarm of ants or bees. All right, there you have it. Quick recap and plus the exercise. And I did correct some of yours that was on your thingy, so just remember these. Next we will be doing prepositions. That will be on the next video.